Hey, in this video I'm painting a little bird on cherry blossoms with a soft blurry background in acrylics. This one is available in my new web shop. I have prints and the original for now. It's all new, so if you're interested, please go there, check it out. Thank you. Starting with a gray base. Blocking in some general shapes and values. I'm gonna go over most of it with my airbrush later. Airbrushing some dark. For the pink areas, I'm using white first and a circle stencil for a little bokeh effect. Now pink over the white. The white just helps the pink show up. And some burnt sienna. Now I have transferred my drawing with transfer paper. For the flowers, same there. I'm using mostly white first and I will glaze them pink later. Moving on to the bird, I'm painting him black and white first. using a rake brush for the fluffy feathers, intentionally letting the background color show through. So I only have to add the lights and darks because the mid-tone is already there, and I'll add some subtle colors on top. Here's the finished painting. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, please like and leave a comment. Thank you. Bye.